Selling options for income literally takes 20 minutes a day. That's it. This is not day trading, not looking at charts all day. 20 minutes to sell a put or sell a covered call, collect the premium, and take the money out of the market every single week to change your financial life. Watch this video, I'm gonna walk you right through it. And stay with me until the end, because I'm gonna break down exactly what those 20 minutes looks like and give you the 4 steps to do every single day. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Michelle with Cressivo, and this is the channel all about using options to create weekly income for yourself. Now, we're not gambling, we're not day trading, we're selling options. Selling a put on good quality stocks that were genuinely okay to own at the strike price, and selling covered calls if and when we get assigned. That's it. Every video I make is about pulling weekly premium out of the stock that you genuinely would want to own. Not option gambling, not zero DTE lotto tickets, not day trading, real income from real trades that anyone with a brokerage account can learn to place. So if the promise of trading has always been financial freedom, but the reality of it has been screen time that you don't want or losses that you don't have the stomach for, you're in the right place. Because I'm about to prove to you that 20 minutes a day is genuinely all that it takes to be successful. Now, here's what most people don't understand about selling options for income. This is not day trading, and it's not swing trading. It's a completely different game. When you sell a cash secured put, you get paid right up front in cash to your brokerage account. And you're agreeing to buy a stock that you like anyway if it goes lower. That's the entire trade. You're not trying to predict the market. You're not trying to pick the top or the bottom. You're getting paid to wait to buy a stock that you like anyway if it goes on sale. Now that means that once the trade is on, there's not a lot more that you need to do. You don't even have to do anything for the rest of the week if you don't want to. The trade works while you're at your job. It works while you're hanging out with your friends. It works while you're sleeping. Time decay does all the heavy lifting for you. You see, as time goes on, it lowers the price of that options contract. And that's to your advantage when you sell options. So when I say 20 minutes a day, I mean it. Some days I don't even spend 20, maybe 5. But 20 is more than enough time to check your portfolio, evaluate a new setup, and place a trade if the math works. Then you close your laptop and go do something that you want to do for the whole rest of the day. That's the whole workflow. Now let me tell you exactly what those 20 minutes look like. 4 steps, 5 minutes each. Let's walk through it. Step 1, check your open positions. Open your brokerage account online or open your app to look at that. You might already have puts you sold. You might already have covered calls that you've sold. Are there any trades close to expiration? Are there any deep in the money? Are they at a place where you'd comfortably wait until Friday until they expire? You're not micromanaging every tick. You're just checking on your stuff. Step 2, scan your watch list if you have one of tickers that you're already interested in trading. If you don't have a watch list, that's totally okay. I'm going to show you toward the end of this video exactly how you find a good trade. Now we're going to be sure to look at real companies that we would want to own, not meme stocks, not social media hype, not things that you heard about at the cocktail party last Friday night. We're going to look at some good quality stocks and see where they're trading. Are any of them on sale right now? Low enough where selling a put makes sense? Step 3, we're always going to evaluate the annualized rate of return. This is the one thing that most people don't do, and it's so preventable. You don't want to just look at the raw premium that you're getting paid for selling an option. Raw premium doesn't mean anything. Holding it for 1 week is very different than holding it for a whole month. Also, you want to compare how much capital you need to make the trade. And you can only do that by looking at the annualized rate of return. I'm going to show you in this video exactly how to do that very easily. Step 4, place the trade or don't place the trade. If the annualized rate of return makes sense and you have the capital in your account to make the trade, then do it. But maybe you don't see a good setup, and that's totally okay. This isn't about forcing trades. There's tons of trades all over the place. Some days, maybe you don't even place a trade. That is totally okay. This is about discipline. You're waiting for the great pitch so you can swing and hit a single. 20 minutes a day, 4 steps. That's the whole workflow of an options trader trading for income. Now let's talk about when you do this consistently, because this is the part that most people don't talk about on YouTube. Weekly income does something amazing to your life, something other trades can't do. When cash starts hitting your account every single week on a regular basis, your relationship with money changes. You stop budgeting around a paycheck and start budgeting around your cash flow. Bills get paid without stress. Groceries come out of last Friday's premium. The vacation that you've been putting off, you might want to fund that now with 3 or 4 weeks of income. I hear the same story over and over from people. Their day job pays for their base life, and their options income becomes their freedom money. It's the money that lets them say no to overtime. It's the money that lets them leave a job that they hate. It's the money that lets them help a family member without checking their balance first. And here's what nobody tells you. 20 minutes a day, done consistently for a year, compounds in a way that 5 hours a day day trading never will. Not just financially, but emotionally. You stop being addicted to your computer screen. You stop needing the market to do something exciting in order to make money. You show up, you check your positions, you place the trade if you see the setup, and you close your laptop. That's what financial freedom actually looks like. It doesn't have to be a Lamborghini. It's a closed laptop and a growing account. Now let me show you exactly what 1 week looks like. And let's say you don't have a watch list of tickers that you're looking at. Maybe you're not even sure where to start. All you need to do is run a scan in this app that I'm going to show you. Now this app is not like other apps and other stock screeners. Because we're option sellers, we want to focus on stocks that have some volatility because that's how we're paid. And we're paid more when the volatility is a little bit higher. So let me show you screen by screen. Let's jump right in. Now I'm going to show you my favorite way to find a trade. You're going to go to the Earnings Edge dashboard and you're going to run a scan. And what it's doing is searching all of the tickers that have earnings coming up in the next 2 weeks. Because earnings presents a really amazing opportunity to get paid more for the risk that we're taking. Now it takes a few seconds for the scan to finish running. Then I'm going to sort the scan by price. Now let's look at the first one, Peloton, because I've heard of that company before, and in fact, I've used Peloton bikes. Their earnings is coming up on August 6th, and the app is telling me that this might be a great trade that I can look at. First, I'm going to look at the 1-year chart and see where the stock has been over the past year. And we can see that it's steadily been on an uptrend. Now, right now, the stock is trading at a little bit over $6. We can also see that the market is anticipating the stock to move 15% up or down, although we don't know which direction, obviously. So if we're going to sell a put, we're going to place our strike price below where the market is anticipating the movement to be. And if we look at selling the $5 put, we're collecting about $11 and we're only putting up about $500 in capital. That gives us an annualized rate of return of 62%. So what do you guys think? Can you see how easy this can be? Can you see yourself doing this on a regular basis? If you want to see this done live, check out my daily live stream every weekday at 12 o'clock Pacific. I show you finding the trade, executing the trade, and managing the trade. And if you're looking for one-on-one support, check out my mentorship program. The link's in the description below. And if you want to check out the app that I used in this video to show you the trades, that link is in the description below as well. There's a 7-day free trial, so you don't even have anything to lose. I really hope this video helped. If you liked the video, smash the like button, share it with a friend. Be sure to subscribe to the channel because I'm putting up videos all the time and you don't want to miss out. Thanks for watching and happy trading.